It's hot. Watch me sweat.
Haha, just kidding. So today on Watch Me Sweat, check it out. Forehead is dry and t-shirt is dry. Let's see how wet my t-shirt and forehead gets today. Get it?
It's been a couple minutes since I got off the rail and now walking through I don't know, some part of Kowloon near Festival Walk. As you can see, my forehead's pretty sweaty right now, and t-shirt's not yet soaked, but there are drops from when I was just wiping my forehead 2 seconds ago, so stay tuned. Just giving you an idea of some of the cars going by here on what is this, Waterloo Road. Traffic's not too bad. On top of the pedestrian overpass on Waterloo Road. You can see by my background the traffic moving around. Forehead is still pretty wet, yeah. So stay tuned. I'm just going to show you some students learning how to drive. This is how they teach folks how to drive out here. As you can see, they're driving pretty slow. One car at the stop sign, about to turn left. He's driving a pretty good pace. Some cars I've seen drive slower than I can walk, so driving pretty good. Nope. Someone's trying to parallel park, so let's see that. Yeah, he needs a little more practice on that. Alright. Long line of cars, student drivers. Alright, not gonna bore you with this. See, I got a dribble of sweat coming down my left eyelid. Alright, it's got to be at least 90 plus degrees out now. Still walking. My shirt. You can still see some sweat stains coming to show through the t-shirt here. Forehead still sweating. There's a slight breeze, so keeping a little bit cool, but forehead's pretty wet. I don't know if you can see or not. Yeah, I think you can see. Yeah, beads of sweat. Yep. Hoover Bakery in Kowloon.
I give you $100.
So I stopped off at Hoover Bakery for a Portuguese egg tart and a regular egg tart. Portuguese egg tart, regular egg tart. Bite into the egg tart. Now I'm going to eat the Portuguese egg tart. Num 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 num. Eat the Portuguese egg tart. finished one of Hoover's regular egg tart and one of their Portuguese egg tart. Their taste more or less the same. The Portuguese one was a little creamier and the crust was a lot more flakier. The regular egg tart crust was similar to a pie crust. So that's the difference, and they were both delicious. I did prefer the Portuguese one better. It was creamier and the crust was flakier. Yum. Back at Watch Me Sweat. So I'm gonna give you a status of my t-shirt. Dun, dun, dun. You see that, right? Sweaty. Forehead. Sweaty. Alright, I'll be back. Check out this crazy tree. Look at the root system on this. Like a freaking snake. So I hope you enjoyed today's episode of Watch Me Sweat. I'm not really sweating right now. I was on the train for a while, so that cooled me down. T-shirt. Still wet. Alright, see you next time.